Good morning, class. So, today we are start with our third chapter, that is working with. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about what is Windows, Windows Desktop, about Windows 10, what is Windows Explorer, what is a file and a folder, knowing the directory and root directory, understanding the Explorer window, creating a folder, copying a file folder, renaming a file. Understanding Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is a series of operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is based on graphical user interface, which simply means that the interface uses graphics or pictures to help the user to navigate the access computer programs. This is a wonderful facility. There are several versions of MS Windows like Windows 2000, Microsoft Windows XP, Windows 7, starting Windows 7. When you switch on the computer, if your computer has Windows 7, then Windows automatically starts loading. Desktop is the first screen that appears after the Windows is completely loaded in the computer's memory. Now you can see in the picture given below, on the left hand side, there are icons and shortcut icons, and below that we can see start button, quick launch icon, taskbar and a clock. On the right hand side, there are some gadgets. About Windows 8. The main screen in Windows 8 is called the start screen and it displays all applications as tiles. Although it looks very similar to the desktop of Windows 7, but one major change. Commonly used icons. Computer. The computer icon provides access to the resources on your computer. You can access your secondary storage devices and other peripherals by clicking the computer icon. Internet Explorer. The Internet Explorer icon launches the recycle bin. When you delete an Windows, send it to the recycle bin. You can restore objects that are placed in the recycle bin or permanently delete them depending on your choice. Network. This icon allows you to access the file folders or devices or internet computer in a network. Application icons. These icons represent the picture of the actual program application and provide direct access. File icons. These icons represent the file or text document, pictures, songs, movies, etc. By looking at a file icon, you can tell at a glance what kind of a file it is. Folder icons. These icons represent containers in which you store the organized files. Shortcut icons. Icons with an arrow at the lower left corner represent a link that points to the program's document. About Windows 10. Windows 10 is a new version of Microsoft operating system for PCs and tablets released in July 2015. It is a free for the licensed user of Windows 7, 8 and 8.1. Windows 10 at a glance. Windows 10 weaves together the best part of Windows 7 and Windows 8. In Windows 10, Microsoft brought back the Start menu with Start button, which was missing in Windows 8. Internet Explorer is no longer. Understanding Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a tool that gives you a complete view of files and folders that are stored in your computer. It also allows you to create, rename, copy, move or delete files and folders and format a disk. What is a file? A computer file in Windows is similar to the files used by us to keep our records, pictures and assignments. A file in Windows also stores all our data or documents or pictures. Now, the icon is given below. This represents There are several versions of MS Windows like Windows 2000, Microsoft Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. About file names. First, in computer, each document, letter, slides, shows or spreadsheet that you create is stored as a file. Second, you can also use multiple words for a file name, for example, letter to Sam. Third, don't use any special characters while naming the file names. For example, what is a folder? In Windows, folder is a storage location where you keep your files. A folder can contain multiple files or other folders of same or different types. It is similar to a file drawer in which you keep all your files. Now, below you can see this icon represents the empty folder. Knowing directory and root directory. Windows organize folders and files is a hierarchical way. The hierarchical way is which the files in computer are arranged and shown below. The root directory is the parent of all the folders it automatically created during formatting. Opening Windows Explorer. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Click all the program options. Step 3. From the menu that pops up, click Accessories. Step Understanding Windows Explorer. The Explorer window is split into 3 panes. Navigation pane. This pane shows the folder and drives present on the computer. In Windows 7, there are 4 locations shown in navigation pane. They are favorites, libraries, computers, and network. Detail pane. This pane displays the information about the hard disk, folder, or a file selected by you. Content pane. This pane displays the displaying the contents of the folder. Step 1. Select the location computer from the navigation pane. Step 2. Select the icon for hard disk, CD-ROM or pen drive. Step 3. Click the folder in the navigation pane or the content of the folder which will be displayed in the content pane, or double-click in the folder. Creating new folder. Step 1. Go to location such as a folder, desktop or hard disk where you want to create a new folder. Step 2. Click the File menu, point to the New option and click an option folder, or right-click anywhere in the window, point to New and then click Folder. Step 3. A new folder icon is displayed in the content pane. Step 4. You can give a... So in this chapter, we are going to learn about what is Windows, Windows Desktop, about Windows 10, what is Windows Explorer, what is a file and a folder, knowing the directory and root directory, understanding the Explorer window, creating a folder, rename a file folder. To change the name of my working folder to my data, step 1, click write the required file folder you wish to change the name. A shortcut menu will appear. Step 2, click on rename. Step 3, type the new name in place of the existing name. Step 4, press enter or click anywhere in the content. Commonly used icons. Computer. The computer icon provides access to the resources on your computer. You can access your secondary storage devices and other peripherals by clicking the computer icon. Internet Explorer. The Internet Explorer icon launches. Copy a file folder. Step 1. Click a file or a folder to select it. Step 2. Click Edit menu and select the copy option, or right-click the file folder and select the copy option. Step 3. Open the location where you want to store the copy of a selected file folder. Step 4. Click Edit menu and select the Paste option or give a right-click in the empty area. Copying multiple files. Step 1. For copying multiple files or folders, hold down the Control key. Click the file you want to copy so that you can select more than one non-consecutive files. Step 2. Select the copy option from the Edit menu. Step 3. Go to select consecutive in sequence files or folder. Click the first file, press the hold down the Shift key and then click the last file. There are some shortcut keys given below. To copy a file, Ctrl+C. To cut a file, Ctrl+X. Recycle bin. When you delete any file or folder from your hard disk, all the deleted files or folders are received by the recycle bin. Items in the recycle bin remain there until you decide to permanently delete them from your recycle bin. From the recycle bin, we can restore our deleted items back to their original location. Commonly used icons. Computer. The computer icon provides access to the resources on your computer. You can access your secondary storage devices and other peripherals by clicking the computer icon. Internet Explorer. The Internet Explorer icon launches the Internet Explorer browser that helps us to work on internet. Empty your recycle bin. The deleted items will take some space on your hard disk. Therefore, it is necessary to empty the recycle bin from time to time. Step 1. Right-click the recycle bin icon and select Empty Recycle Bin option from the shortcut menu. A dialog box. Deleting a folder deletes all the files in that folder. Once you make your recycle bin empty, the deleted items can be restored back. The image we can see first, empty recycle bin and copying multiple files. Step 1. For copying multiple files or folders, hold down the Control key. Click the file you want to copy so that you can select more than one non-consecutive files. Step 2. Select the copy option from the edit menu. Step 3. Go to the required location and select and paste option from the edit menu. (8) Windows Explorer is used to view and manage files folders stored in the computer, hard disk, or on other storage devices. 9. Using Windows Explorer, the files folders can be created, copied, moved, renamed, and be deleted. 10th, copying means creating a duplicate file folders in another location. 11th, moving a file folder means shifting from one location to another. 12th, renaming a file folder means giving a new